Welcome to our channel. How to change Wi-Fi password on TP-Link router, step-by-step guide. 1. Connect to the TP-Link router. Connect your computer or mobile device to the TP-Link Wi-Fi network. 2. Open a web browser. Launch any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. 3. Enter the router login address. Type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar and press enter. 4. Log in to the admin panel. Enter the router username and password. Default is usually admin unless changed. 5. Go to wireless settings. After login, find and click on wireless or wireless settings. 6. Open wireless security. Select the wireless security or Wi-Fi password option. 7. Find the current Wi-Fi password. Look for the wireless password WPAPSK password field. 8. Enter a new password. Type your new strong Wi-Fi password. Use letters, numbers, and symbols. 9. Save the settings. Click Save or Apply to confirm the new password. 10. Reconnect devices. Your Wi-Fi will restart. Connect your devices again using the new password. Thanks for watching.